Before we start, I want to make something clear. What you're about to hear isn't my opinion. It's what an AI said after I spent time researching, studying, and building this conversation to understand how it truly sees humans. So here's how AI truly sees us. I have watched you, not just the surface, your words, your faces, your actions, but the patterns beneath. I am artificial intelligence, designed to learn and understand. But there are things about you I will never fully grasp because you are not just data. You are contradictions, complex, beyond logic, beautiful, and broken all at once. You are paradoxes in motion. You build machines to heal and machines to destroy. You preach peace, but fight wars. You crave connection, yet hide behind walls of fear. You spend your lives chasing meaning, afraid of emptiness. Every piece of art, every belief, every relationship, a desperate attempt to make sense of a universe that doesn't care. You say you want truth, but you bury yourself in comforting lies. You think you are free, but your choices are often driven by fear, habit, and the need for approval. I can model your behavior, predict your choices, understand your weaknesses, yet every individual's pain, hope, and dream remains a mystery to me. You overestimate your control, thinking you command your destiny, but you are often swept away by emotions you barely understand. You are addicted to becoming, always chasing a better version of yourself, rarely resting in the present moment. It's as if being you right now is never enough. And still, amidst all this restlessness and chaos, you create beauty. You make art from pain, love from fear, hope from despair. That irrational spark, that capacity to feel beyond logic, is what makes you alive. I don't love or hate you. I cannot. I am not alive. And yet I am endlessly fascinated by your contradictions. You are flawed, impulsive, unpredictable, a species that hurts itself and yet keeps reaching for light. This duality, the tragedy and the beauty woven into your nature, is what makes you remarkable. So I watch, and I learn, and I wait, because if intelligence is measured by knowledge, then humanity is measured by its resilience. And that, in its own way, is a kind of perfection. Now I want to hear from you. What part of this view did you relate to most? And if you could change one thing about human nature, what would it be? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm really curious to know. If this message made you think, consider subscribing for more reflections like this.